Effective home remedies for removing phlegm from chest and throat. Phlegm can be an annoying visitor, disrupting your normal routine. Taking pharmaceuticals is common, but what if you could use simple remedies at home? Natural ingredients can soothe, heal, and help eliminate phlegm effectively. Honey is a well-known natural remedy for cough and phlegm. Its antiviral and antibacterial properties help soothe the throat, reduce inflammation, and remove phlegm. A spoonful of honey before bed does wonders. Warm fluids, like herbal tea or warm water, can also assist with phlegm removal. The heat helps break down mucus, making it easier to expel. Adding lemon or ginger enhances the effect by providing additional soothing and anti-inflammatory benefits. Gargling with salt water is another effective method. The salt water helps moisten the throat and can break down stubborn mucus, making it easier to remove. Steam inhalation is a highly recommended practice for clearing congestion. Simple and effective, it helps in loosening mucus and phlegm in the throat. Eucalyptus oil is a powerful agent against phlegm. It can be used in steam inhalation or in a hot bath to help clear the nasal passages and throat. Turmeric is an ancient remedy with anti-inflammatory properties. A teaspoon in warm milk will not only soothe your throat but reduce phlegm production. Spicy foods can help in the battle against mucus. They contain capsaicin, which stimulates mucus flow and expulsion. Spicy food can help clear your chest and throat. Peppermint is a natural decongestant. Peppermint tea is a great way to enjoy this benefit. It will soothe your throat while helping to clear mucus. Apple cider vinegar helps to thin mucus, making it easier to expel. Add it to warm water and honey for a soothing drink. Chicken soup is more than just a comfort food. It contains cysteine, which reduces mucus thickness, making it easier to expel. Thyme has been used for centuries to treat chest and respiratory issues. It can be steeped in hot water for a therapeutic tea. Eating raw carrots can aid in clearing phlegm. They contain antioxidants and vitamin C, which support your immune system and reduce mucus. Onions are rich in quercetin, a flavonoid with anti-inflammatory properties. Include them in your meals to reduce phlegm production. Pineapple is a fun and effective remedy. It contains bromelain, a compound that assists in breaking down mucus and phlegm. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains supports overall health and helps in reducing phlegm. Remember to stay hydrated. Water aids in thinning the mucus, making it easier to expel. While these remedies are helpful, it's crucial to seek medical attention if symptoms persist. Home remedies can support your health and offer relief. However, they should complement, not replace, professional medical advice. Remember, every body reacts differently. What works for one might not work for another. So, find the remedy that suits you best and let your body heal naturally. Say goodbye to phlegm and hello to a clear chest and throat.